There's another way to say it. Adjustment, joint moves properly. We've got the muscles switched on. We've got appropriate information to the brain, appropriate integration of that information, and better control of the spine. Love it. This other thing that happens, which we call interoception and exteroception. Okay, interoception is what is happening inside your body, and exteroception is what's happening outside the body. And we want to be able to sense that really accurately, and the adjustment is doing that for people. Okay, this is what you're switching on. Interoception is not just I'm feeling hungry or I need to go to the toilet. It's everything. It's your body's awareness of self. It is when it is able to detect your emotions, how you're feeling, how you're responding to stress. That is interoception. So you are actually helping people to sense themselves better with your adjustments. That's interoception, better awareness of self.